Okay, guys. It's a decently warm February midday. Ooh, that's right in the heart of that brush pile. There's a new reel and rod I got. It's a little chilly out here, actually. Throw it out there. I think this is a good color this time of year. The water's clear and that looks like a bait fish, so I'm thinking if we catch 2 or 3, I'll take them and clean them. We'll have some fried crappie. There's a fish. Is that a crappie? I believe it is. Speak of the devil. Regardless, that's a keeper size. Pretty fish. We're gonna string him up in the stringer. This is a private pond, and they don't like crappie being in here, but there's probably like 1,000 crappie in here, so I have the biggest stringer possible. 2024 was a good year in many ways, but my favorite, nah, not really. Need to keep an eye on that crappie because they do have turtles out here that will devour that thing. So look a little bit more natural, I reckon. Really? I don't know. Oh, there it is. There's one. That's a bass, yeah. It's a small bass. And there he goes. Here it is. There's one. That's a bass. Oh yeah, he's a baby. He's bigger than the other one, I'd say. It's so smart for ponds. It's a nice looking bass. So there's Kipper. I believe we are done on this spot. Okay. Load her up. And if you catch them, you catch a lot of them. If you don't catch them, you don't catch any. Now there are 1 or 2 days out of 1,000 times I fished here that I've only caught 1 or 2. I don't know why Annie's barking. Oh my gosh. There's carp in here? What? Oh my word. Oh, here's something. That's a bass. It's a good one, actually. Spotted. I think that's spotted bass. Man, that's weird. What? Oh my. I can't believe I just did that. Where is that place I got hung? There's like a floater floating out there of where it is. There it is. I see it. What is this? That's a bass or something. Yeah, it's a bass. It took him a minute to come in, didn't it? What, dude? Here we go. We got something that is either a brim or a bass. It's a brim. Well, that ain't that big. Actually, he might be. He might be a pretty good size. I don't know. Calm down. Oh, you just got water, man. That's a pretty good size, I'd say. But we're not going to keep those. If we're going to keep them, we'll keep them when they're real big. So See you later, buddy.